Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, today we're going to make egg curry. So I have boiled 4 eggs and I'm going to peel them and just little bit roast it in a tiny bit of oil. So I have a little bit of oil to it. I have some cumin seed and asafoetida, and this has been roasted. So I'm going to add to it 1 onion, red onion, large one. And now I'm going to chop up some ginger and garlic, add to it and saute all this till all these are brown. And then I will add to it chopped potatoes and cook it, then add the eggs and make the gravy. So as you can see, I have a little bit of cumin seed, asafoetida, and a little bit of oil. And to this, I'm going to pour my 4 boiled eggs and going to brown them a little bit, the outer layer. That makes it very tasty. So, and then I'm going to cut up my potatoes and brown the outer layer a little bit for that before I put my onion, ginger, garlic paste. And then once I brown the outer layer, then I'm going to put it away separately. Then make the gravy and put everything in the gravy. You see, I have sauteed little bit the potatoes and the eggs. Now they all look like mixed with a little bit of oil and cumin and asafoetida, and I put them aside. Now I got my onion, ginger, garlic paste. I'm going to pour that on the same pan and brown it a little bit more. Then I'll add all this and water and spices. So I sauteed the onion and then I blended it, and now I cooked it a little bit more with the spices, the salt, turmeric, garam masala powder and vegetable masala powder. Now I'm going to add to it my slightly fried eggs and the potatoes. So now I have added my eggs and potatoes and I'm going to toss it around few minutes. And I'm going to add 2 cups of water and cover it and let the potatoes cook and let the egg cook in the gravy. So here is my egg curry. It's looking awesome. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.